Today we're going to look at repairing a doorbell. Now, this is a simple repair, but we're renovating a condominium, and when you press the doorbell, nothing happens. Now, I'm not sure what type of doorbell this is, but what happened is when I removed this, and you just pull this cover off, and it just pulls right off, and you'll see on the back side, this is how it stays in. It's got these two little rods that help secure that, but other than that, there's nothing. And then this is what you find inside the doorbell. Now you'll notice the hot wire, or this red wire, was disconnected. Apparently, the tenants didn't want the doorbell to work. Maybe they had a dog that barked. They just didn't want the doorbell. And so they had unhooked the wire, and it's a pretty simple fix. So, and that's another thing, if you don't want your doorbell to work, and you have something similar to this, all you have to do is disconnect the hot wire, probably even the white wire too, and that one up on top is the ground wire. And that's one of the things you got to look at when you're first trying to repair or look at why your doorbell isn't working, is there power going to the wires. And in this case it was just unhooked, so we'll go ahead and hook that back up. And to do that, really all you have to do is just hook the wire inside, and then get a screwdriver and tighten it up. And there you have it. Now let's go take a look and see if it works. Now when you ring the doorbell, you can see that it's now working. Again, was a pretty simple fix. Make sure you subscribe to Big Al Repairs, and have a great evening.